Hey, what's up, guys? So in this video, we're gonna learn how we can block any phone number from calling us, and also how we can route any number to voicemail if you don't want to receive calls from them directly on our phone. So what you just have to do first, you have to head over to you click on this call icon. So when you click on it, you can then select the number you want to block. So for now, I'm just going to use Kenny J, which is this one. So I'll have to click on this icon at the rightmost part of it. So when I click on it, it brings me here. So what I just need to do now is to click on this three dot icon at the topmost right of the screen. When I click on it, I have the option to block this number from here. If I click on block now, whenever this number calls me, if I should click on it now, it asks me if I actually want to block the number. So I just click on block. So you can see this symbol here. So whenever this number calls me, it's going to show he's going to receive a signal that user busy. So in that case, this particular number won't be able to reach out to me on call. Another way to block someone, so I'm just going to unblock it now. So another way to block someone if you don't want to receive calls from the person is you can also click on this call icon and then you navigate to contacts, which you have here. So when you navigate to contacts, you just look for the person's name, Kenny. I think Kenny J, yeah. So you click on this icon here, later icon, and then you click on this three dots icon or hamburger icon, and then if you look at the last on the list, you see route to voicemail. So when you click on this route to voicemail, it's also going to act the same way, whereby the person won't be able to reach out to you, the person won't be able to call you. It also notifies the person that user busy. So these are both ways in which you can block a number or make a number unable to reach you on phone call. So if this video helped, but now I'm just gonna route it to voicemail so that this number can be able to call me. So if you enjoyed this video, please do it to give it a thumbs up, and also you can subscribe to my channel. And if you want to get notified when I release more content later, please hit on the notification bell, and have a nice day. Thanks.